So what's up guys, I hope you have a great day today. Now I have some great news to tell you. The new Totti came out to FIFA 2022 guys. Let's go, Mbappe, Messi, Lewandowski, some great cards came out. And I saved like 50 packs just for open to you guys. So let's get into the video. We're going to start with the 2 foot champion picks. So let's get straight to the video guys. So yes guys, let's jump straight into the action. In the first pick I'm going to take Ito, 84, the best card in this pick for sure. Now we're going to go to the second pick. This pick going to be much better. I'm going to take Robertson, the best card here, 88, some really good cards, but he's the best one. I'm probably going to use him to SBC. So let's jump straight into the pack. As you can see I have 47 of them. So let's get straight into the action guys, let's go. Let's go guys, we got our first walkout of the day. Let's go. Big Lukaku in the chat. Let's go guys and let's keep going with the packs. I will see you again when we have something good. Oh yes guys, we got our second Lukaku just in a spread of 3 packs. I can't believe it. Yeah, I feel lucky today. So guys, I'm going to do something, to get rid of the other one, so I don't need to quick sell it. So I think I just got a new SBC out. I think the Flash Totti. So just do it. I will do it really quick and I'll be back in a minute.
1 minute 37 seconds later.
So yes guys, I finished the SBC. So really easy one. I just put Lukaku, some other cards I got. So I'll get another pack. So I get now 50 packs, I told you. So let's keep with the pack and see you again. So yes guys, we put another workout 3 in a row. It is amazing. I didn't say it ever. So let's go guys, 3 workouts in like 2 minutes. It's amazing guys. Just for that, hit the like, subscribe and hit the bell, and let's keep on going because we're on the wave. So yes guys, you can see I didn't pull anything except some nice boards, not something interesting too much. I just, going through the packs, some boards, some 80 plus cards, not something interesting at all. So I just, move it forward so you don't need to be bored of that. So I didn't got nothing until this pack. So yes guys, after 15 long minutes I finally put another workout, and this time it was Mahrez. So big pull. So guys, let's keep on going. Remember, hit the like, subscribe and hit the bell, and let's keep on going.
Three hours later.
So yes guys, we finally get to the big six, the last 6 packs, the most biggest and hyped one, the mega packs, the ultimate packs, and the biggest one, 25 times 83 players, the biggest pack I ever opened guys. So stay tuned for this pack because this is going to be amazing guys, and let's keep on going. So yes guys, we finally got to the last pack, the one we were all waiting for, and I have to say guys, the last 5 packs was really pissing me off because they were so expensive pack and I didn't want anything, not even one walkout. I was really pissed about that, but now I can be peaceful and be relaxed because now I'm going to open maybe the best pack I ever seen or ever opened. So stay tuned and see this crazy pack open. So yes guys, we got another Robertson, got one from the pick in the start. So yes guys, this is an amazing pack. This pack saved my entire pack opening. You can see I got Pogba, I got also Mahrez, some crazy cards guys. I know not the best one you ever saw probably, but I'm so happy about this one. So many cards for SBC, some maybe for my club. Maybe we're going to do a new squad, and I will for 100% do it for a video. So you could see my new squad, maybe do some gameplay, whatever you want. If you wanted to see some gameplay of me, just write in the comments and I will do it. So yes guys, this was the crazy pack opening from me, and I hope you have a great day today guys, and see you next time. Peace out.